After a very successful day yesterday of doing the walls and the ceiling, we're just doing the windows. They're the blinds that we'll put in later, but we're just putting in the windows in at the moment. So they're going in quite easy, you don't need a glue, just they're the Eurovision windows. So there's one put in there, and now I've just got to help with the other one. So just pulling away the plastic from the side. And then
part of the process.
Just need to unscrew the inside and the outside panel from each other. And then I hold onto the outside while Mark screws in the inside panel. And that's it.
Simple.
That's it. Yeah. So it doesn't take long at all. And we had them pre-cut by Composite Panels, so just little lugs, as you can see there, holding the panels in.